Hi, this is Annabelle Rodrigues, Head of Department, Don Bosco College Hospitality Studies, here to let you know about Circulus Vitae, the Circle of Life, our theme for Spectrum 2022. I know that everybody looks forward to our invites because there's so much of thought that is put into this. The kids do such a wonderful job. So here it is. This is our invite. It is circular because it's Circle of Life, and it has the 4 different sections: infant, teenager, adult, and twilight. Here's our beautiful Don Bosco ribbon. You open it and you open the 2 sides, and here we go. We've got delicious circled macarons that have the wonderful flavors. We have vanilla for infant. We have macarons with sour cream and onions for the teenage years. We've got for adult, we've got chicken, bacon and chili. And for the twilight years, when we can sit back and have a drink, it's rum and raisin. This, along with the red invites for the hoteliers, the blue invites for our benefactors and for our Salesian priests and all the priests involved in our mentorship. We have green for the parents and yellow for the ex-students and for the walk-ins. So, ladies and gentlemen, come revel in this wonderful evening, which is a complete gourmet adventure. Join us. Let's be grateful for the life that we have and revel in every minute of it. Thank you.